How to copy and paste clips on CapCut. So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to copy and paste clips on CapCut. So, first thing, just open up your CapCut application and open any one of the videos where you want to apply the copy and paste feature. I'll simply select one of these videos over here, and for this example, I'll split the video into two sections. As you can see, I now have 3 divided sections of the particular video. Now, let's say I want to copy this part of the video over here. The process is pretty simple. Simply tap on the particular clip you want to copy, and then scroll right from the bottom navigation bar, just like this. You should see the option to copy. If you don't see that, you can also tap on duplicate, which does the same thing. Just like that, you have successfully copied and directly pasted or duplicated any of the clips from the video on CapCut. That is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.